How to book ticket on Emirates Airline. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site emirates.com. You have to head over to your booking section. Once you're in here, you have to fill out some of the informations. First of all, you have to select your departure airport and then select the arrival airport. Then select the number of passenger. After that, select the class, then select the departing and returning date. Once you have selected the date, what you want to do is click on Search Flight. Wait for a while for it to process. Now scroll all the way down. You can see different flights are available. Well, for me, number 4 flights is suitable. You have to click on the economy. Select the available flex. Once you have selected, scroll all the way down. The option of Save and Next will be available to you. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to choose the payment method and pay the amount. Once the payment has been done, your ticket will be booked successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can book a ticket on Emirates Airline. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.